Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Our time has gone already because I'm supposed to start doing the procession analysis. I mean, so at 7 o'clock, but so this is 17 minutes past 7. So that was on our side. It's not on our side because I've got a lot of other things to do. So no, just as we normally do. So we do this. I mean, the pre-session analysis. So it's just for us to analyze before this volume of the market starts growing up. And the moment you was keep analyzing when the volume starts growing up, so there might be some panics and you may not be calming yourself down, trying to take some stupid trades. So if you prepare ahead, so you have a higher chance of probability of making the market. So probably I won't. I'll just clean it off. Or let me just go analyze the other pairs that I haven't analyzed yet. So starting from JBB, JPY. So what we firstly do is what go to higher time frame, check for overall overall buyers. So what do we have? So as you can see, we're currently in a downtrend. So we're currently in a downtrend. And that is this is the downtrend we had. So this is the downtrend we had. As you can see. So this is the what low that took out this week. So this week low. So we had a bit of structure here. So this was low that took it out. So let me reverse to hand there. From here we're going downside. Okay. So here we are. So actually this is our this is strong low we had. Strong low, okay. Now I guess pulling back. We have a double top and that's not what we're looking for actually. So the train is done. Train is done. So option is down now. So we go to 50-minute time frame. So going to 50-minute time frame now, where we check our daily biases. So as you can see, so this is where we the pullback ended for our on the time frame. So and when market is trying to go back down, expect it to be over. Now as you can see here, so we had a break of structure from this point here. So what leads this break of structure? So what leads the break of structure is this very low that leads this break of structure. So when you check from where the pullback started, we are what we are on a demand zone. So on a demand zone, so now so we're expecting to take our entry from that point here. So which was what? Kí ni ti gbé lọ? Ah, ìdí méjì lọ. Ẹ̀yin ni ẹ gbé lọ, ó dàgbé owó pọ̀ lẹ́yìn. I'm very, very sorry. I got to take I take care of some business. I'm very, very sorry for that little delay. So now, So we had our supply zone from this point here. So the supply zone we had here. It's not showing. Sorry. Oh, it's not showing. So the supply zone we had here. So we had our supply zone from this here. So now, so the market has already touched. So so we had a touchback. No, we're not supposed to go against that. So we go to 1 minute time frame. Minute time frame. So we check for what? Because structure. So we already have a structure from this point here. As you can see here. So this is where we're supposed to start from. Yeah, because structure from this point here. So this is what it was structure. Now come back to the zone here. We take our what? Our cell, our cell entry here. You know, that was on our side. So, so, so starting from here, because we had to break a structure from this point here. So we broke a structure from here, right? So break structure. So now I can come back to the extreme. Actually, my understanding here is not a bit deep here because anything can happen in the market. So the market come back to the extreme. So then we take our sell position. So we broke structure again. We broke structure. So I'm looking for where to take my entry. Broke structure again. But before we broke structure, we had what? We had a so a pullback. So we had we had a pullback. So a reaction from this point here. So which was what? Currently and what? Advanced zone. So currently on the demand. So in the demand zone. So after we having this break of structure, so now we expect market what? To come back to this point here. So now, so we go for another entry on this point here. So this one here, because market has already grabbed liquidity from this one here. Now we go back to 15 minute time for which our daily bias. Then we target. This will be a big trade. Anything can happen. Like we target what? So this, because this is the what? Week, the weekly we're having here. So targeting, my goodness. So this is a 49 is to the body ratio. That is so big. I, yeah, very big. Actually, I just put this one there as a you know as a where to put it. So I just put it there. So I just to know so how the what the market direction is. So As the movement breaks structure, the pullback will take entries. So we are also going to. So I just use this one as an overall, So as an overall entry, and that's where we have. So this is our analysis for GBP JPY. So before the market session opens, so this is GBP for the market session opens, Position analysis GBP JPY. So now I'm going to the what next time frame. So which is so so this is going to change downtrend within the years. Expect it was to end from here. Yeah, expect to end from there. That's how it goes until we reach what? We reach this so actually this was the analysis for so for this. So we took sorry, I mean the record I took yesterday for the number of trade we took. So it wasn't a six. So it was 7 and 6 was win. So 6 was win and 1 was a loss. So for today, so we already had one loss. So we already had so two two trade was a win was a loss. So for this today analysis we had here. So for this we had one, so another one. So break of structure. So break of structure. So expanding another break of structure. So this is actually a reward ratio. So this is supposed to be hit the profit, but I just want to put it down like this until we reach that. So so three, 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 three. So if you analyze for US30, so US30, so for this one the big problem. So probably maybe I would this was the pullback started. Now I get a clear picture. The first thing was analyze our low and our high. This is our low. So we got structure from this point, right? Here's a like structure from this point here. So what little structure? This was it. Here. So I expect markets come back to this point, go back point. Now keep going. Let's keep moving, let's keep moving. Let's keep moving. I'll try and what? I move this here. Why? Because we're looking for a mitigated point. That's not been mitigated yet. Because it's an uptrend. It's an uptrend. So why? Because trying to break a structure. So and I break a structure. So what did you break a structure? Let's break a structure and I did not. So took a buy position here. broke another structure here until we broke out for our structure. Now the market is pulling back here. So we have this high. We have this high. So the moment the market broke at this point here, we expect pullback to the zone here. Why? Because the rapid hit has already been mitigated. So I would say combination for the 50-minute daily bias. So this was the reaction for the breakout and going on for me on this point here. So downtrend. So that's that. Infrastructure, infrastructure. So let's go because if you're looking at here, so we will be buying from so selling from discounts. Selling from discounts. So selling from discounts. So you can see this one, infrastructure. So we sell from what? From this. We buy from discount and we sell from the premium super level. So we sell from the premium super level and this our which is so that's just for okay. Okay. So when the market reaches this zone here, probably go to 1 minute time frame and check for what the confirmation entry there. So for us to have a small risk intake. So expect the pullback to continue here. When the market break out of this place here, so I expect it to be like this. Or it go like this, break out and pull back towards to the supply at least what break out of the structure and go for sell position from this on this point here. So boom we have here. I'm just put a sell position to this point here. So 3 is to 1 ratio. So that's that for so good for USDT here. So on analyze for Nasdaq. So Nasdaq 100, as you can see, going to forward time frame. So where do we? So from this consolidation here. So I'm playing this consolidation for now. You guys going to prove out that later. So I mean it was broken out because structure from this measurement. So structure. So what the structure it was probably what this logic came was. I've been expecting market was to come. So we go to 50-minute time frame. So so market has already been mitigated with this structure. So as you can see, meanwhile, market broke out, smashes through without a reaction. So without a reaction, right? So here we are. So without a reaction. So expect market to come back to the extreme. Market to come back like this. So that was from my side. So go forward long position. So where is that in the electrical structure? So from the extreme here, because there was no in this point here. So this is the way that demand. Electrical structure. So it was that demand structure. I expect market to come into this position. So, and that is that. Thank you very much.